Hello, my name is Denise Yezbak Moore, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create these cute little daisy rings. The tools and supplies you will need to create this ring are wire cutters, a ring mandrel, chain nose pliers, 22 gauge wire. This is just bead-on. It's half hard. It's a craft wire. You will need 8 6mm faceted stone beads. I believe these are Amazonite. This is a little cube 8 by 8mm moonstone bead. I might suggest actually using a round bead here, 8mm. I like the way the little cubes looked, but you can also use an 8mm round. We are going to start off by cutting a 23-inch length of 22 gauge wire. I just strung 8 6mm faceted stone beads to the center of my wire. And now I'm coming in and I'm crossing my wires and I'm bending it at the bottom to make a circle shape. I'm holding it and I'm bending this wire down and bringing this wire up. And now I'm kind of squishing it a little bit to get the shape right. Flipping it over, I'm going to come and just wrap it one time. Now I'm going to take this wire and I'm bending it down. I just strung my cube moonstone and I'm going to place that right in the center of the beads and then bend that wire down. Here's the tricky part. We need to pass this wire back through, and this is a thick wire. I tried this with 24 gauge. It just did not work. The band was too soft. So we're going to do this very slowly, and we're manipulating the wire as we go, trying to make it into a circle. Moving it, manipulating it, pulling it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to grab my chain nose pliers and I'm going to pull it nice and tight. So let's flip it over. You can see what the front looks like. And then this is the back. Now we are going to bend this wire down, grab our chain nose pliers and make a bend. Bend this wire down, grab our chain nose pliers and make a bend. Grabbing our ring mandrel, we're going to come in and I'm going to place it right on the size 7. And then we're going to wrap 1, whoops, 2. I'm holding it. We're going to come under and wrap 1, 2. And we want to make sure these wires are not crossed. So I just squish these wires up together, trying to get them as close as possible. Let's squish them. And they're not crossing each other. And I'm going to wrap 1, 2. grabbing the other side, wrapping 1, 2. So we have these little ends. Let's remove the ring. And now we're going to wrap our wire around the base. 1, 2, and I want that wire down on the side. Taking our wire cutters, we're going to trim off that little end, tap it down. Don't worry about the shape right now, we're going to fix that. The other side, we're going to wrap that little wire through. We're going to go 1, 2, right down to the side. Wire cutters, trim off that little end, tap that wire down, and squish them together. Just kind of adjusting the top. Now we're going to grab our ring mandrel and we're moving it down. And I'm just kind of straightening out those wires. So we started out at a 7, but it made a size 6 ring. So then we're going to take it off. And there you have it, a quick and pretty easy way to create a daisy ring. Be sure to scroll down and take a peek at my other DIY videos. I try to post a new DIY video each week. I love corresponding with beaders worldwide. If you have a comment or a question, leave a note in the comment section. I always answer everyone back. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Denise Yezbak Moore for daily beading inspiration. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.